So now what? Oh, it's finally here.
Now who wanna suck my pussy? Pussy.
Hi everybody! Alright, I just went up to the gay corporation to see if I'm still allowed to make this content. Apparently, it was a bit controversial, my last video. I'm sorry, y'all. My last video was a little bit like, I immediately found incels online, shit like that. I want to see how fast I can find gay people on those same accounts. I am sorry for categorizing the straight for you page as like, oh, heterosexuals watch this. I did say at the end of my video, if you're straight and watching this video, let me know what you see on your for you page, because I don't think this was very accurate. Like, I'm so sorry. Can you tell I'm nervous? I'm sorry, y'all. I have to leave the comfort of my own account and head to Love Violent Fruit AI. I don't want. Let's see, what's the first thing on this For You page? Oh my god. Just like, how can you make yourself not ugly, guys? Remember, you're ugly. Girl, bye.
They said I'm too good. I shot the ball and it was like in a
Get off my phone.
Okay guys, we're back. Did you miss us?
I swear I had that security camera uninstalled.
Because I can tell you, when you are not attractive, your life is hell. I've experienced...
Why does it just think I'm ugly? What the fuck? This Reaper just called me ugly 15 billion times. Does it have beef with me or something? Does it want to fight? This is not the For You page for me.
I don't care what it costs. Just make this man well again.
Thank you, fish.
I love
There's
this.
one more secret I feel I have to share with you.
Finally something calming. That's lovely. Thank you. Girl, imagine you gave your child a phone for Christmas. They're like 14, you finally gave them a smartphone. I got my first smartphone at 14. Oh my god, I was walking around with a Nokia brick until I was 14 years old. Anyway, imagine you finally give them a phone, they download TikTok, and the first evening you walk into the room, the first evening they've got their phone, this is what you see.
Have you ever tried this one?
Bitch, I'm taking that phone right back. What the fuck? They got these kids doing anything. What the fuck? Why is it all so depressing?
Everyone's talking about some, oh my gosh, bro, it's so over, we're cooked. Whatever happened to fuck it, we ball?
Thank you! We finally found positivity. Oh my goodness. Thank you. It didn't take that long. It took 10 minutes to find positive video. Period. Still have not seen a gay person, but we'll get there. Why is it all so like dark and gray and sad?
Are you selling them? Or are you just eating them?
Yeah, we sure.
Oh, sure. I'll just have one.
Curing.
Ah, awesome. Salamat kayo.
Yeah, be kind to others, guys. If you're kind, you have no enemies.
Are you selling them?
Thank you. We're slowly getting somewhere. Also, I am cutting out a lot of the videos because a lot of it is just like, you're ugly. You're depressed. The world is shit. Can I just live? I still haven't seen a gay person though. It has been 17 minutes and a half, but we'll continue. We're on a hunt. I feel like Millie Bobby Brown. Oh my god. Me and Millie Bobby Brown have one thing in common. It's that we're both hunting for the gays right now. I'm sorry, I love Millie. Millie is not actually homophobic. I want to give this disclaimer. This is not a rhetoric that is true.
Crime was legal for a day, what would you do?
Get a BBL. I just want to see what they feel like that one. Like, what? How
If
would it change?
crime was legal for a day, not if you could be gay.
What do you mean? If crime was legal for a day, I'd get a BBL? Can you not just do that any day? All I know is I would never get a BBL. I do need to go do something real quick, so I'll be right back, guys.
Now who wanna suck my pussy? Pussy. Pussy.
I literally don't think it's gonna show me anything LGBTQ.
Pussy. Now who wanna suck my pussy?
I have not seen, oh my god, is that like actually being suppressed in the algorithm? Where's the gay people?
What the fuck are you looking at?
I got a drag queen. Thank goodness. I'm home. It only took me 30 minutes of scrolling, but I finally found a drag queen. A drag queen! I'm gonna copy the link to boost it a little bit, to tell me, hey, I would like to see more gay shit, please. That is very real though. Usually I do have a little like, I don't know if you've noticed, but I'm gay. I'm a very visibly gay person. So like the way I walk, the way I talk, it's all really gay. And when I walk past a group of teenagers, I really try to straighten myself out, but it's like genuinely so obvious that it makes it even worse. Having a countdown with that fierce position. If I ever need to present anything ever, I will be taking inspiration from him. And in fact, I'm gonna be taking my picture right now. I want to have my picture exactly like his, okay? How was that? Okay, period. I love this man. That is just so good. What? Professor Dumbham, hats off to you. You did it. You outgayed me. I love you. You might not even be gay. No straight person could come up with this. You know what I mean? Like, and now he's actually straight and he comments on this video. He's like, what the fuck are you saying about me? Professor Dumbham, I would like to personally apologize to you. I'm a big fan. I would love to attend one of your lectures.
Trevor?
Yeah, what? Oh,
What is on your face? Is that dye? You said your eyelashes are naturally that dark.
Okay, listen. I dive in
I finally got to the side that doesn't take looks maxing seriously. It took me so long. It's been a long journey. This is literally what the journey has felt like. Please. It's been so long. I don't want to be here anymore. Please. Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka.
If every day was a good day, then there wouldn't be any good days. It takes a bad day to appreciate how good the good ones.
That's true.
Really
That oh, let me redo that. Pretend you didn't see that first one. That's
there
true.
wouldn't be any good days.
I literally hate when this happens. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, there was a time where I needed to do internships for my school, but we were not allowed to get paid. And one of my friends did get paid, and he was talking about it in front of the teachers while they explicitly told us, do not accept money for your internship, okay? It's an unpaid internship only. And he was like, oh, did you know I got money for my internship? The teacher literally right next to us, he could see the teacher, and I was like, that's a good joke. That's so funny. And he's like, no, I'm serious. I got paid for my internship. I was like, try to point at the teacher like, but he didn't get it. I had to explain afterwards, like, we're not allowed to get paid for an internship. If you just said that in front of a teacher, you could get in a lot of illegal trouble. Nothing happened though, so it was fine. Okay. I'm feeling satisfied. I found positivity and I found gay people after scrolling for 40 minutes. I'm going back to my account where I feel safe and loved. Some of y'all did say you were curious what my For You page looked like. I do have a couple videos about that if you're interested. I'm just gonna show you the first TikTok that's on my For You page.
I want that one.
You want the thick thighs pussy salad? Yeah.
Girl, what the fuck is you talking about?
No, I just lost all credibility I had for having a good For You page. I'll respect 2 furries though. I know a couple furries. They're chill as fuck. Anyways, if you want more gay people on your feed, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you did enjoy, please leave a like, maybe a comment, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!